So the weathermen said they were gonna get a chance of precip last night, and boy were they dead on. We got 8 inches of snow, so come right along with me as we go and try out and review the Arctic Cat Wildcat 60-inch plow system. Let's go for a ride and see how well it does. All right, after about 35 minutes, we're finally finished. We had some pretty big drifts up in this area here, where she was about 18 inches drifting around in this section. So we got a little bit more than 8 inches last night, and I'm very pleased with the way this thing has been plowing so far. This is my 4th time out now plowing, and as you can see here, you can just keep climbing up and up and up these banks here, just keep getting higher and higher. You can just climb right up them and keep pushing the snow up over the top. So you can see, I don't know if you can tell how high that bank is getting already. It's working great. 150 feet or so of driveway. Big drifts down in this area here. Got it nice and cleaned out. Overall, very pleased with this plow setup. We did have some spots where it drifted over 15 inches last night, and it does a pretty good job. Thanks for riding along. I hope this helps you decide on your next plow system. And remember to get outdoors with Deano.